premature on the twist, but I just wanted to show you it's coming along. Just disregard all that crap on the bottom. I have to grow it out first in order to get the good twist. So it looks terrible now, but it's a first official twist job. Hey guys, welcome back. I know I've been making a whole bunch of videos lately, but I want to announce the winner of the wallet giveaway for this wallet right here. And I know I told you in that video that once we get to 2,000 views, I'll announce a winner, but I don't think we're gonna hit 2,000 anytime soon, so I'm just gonna go ahead and announce a winner. I know it was last week I put the video up, but I got a lot of good comments and some funny stuff there, but there was one that in particular that was pretty hilarious. So without further ado, the winner of the wallet giveaway is, drum roll please, Lori Fish. Congratulations. Lori Fish wrote this. I don't know what it says. I'll just put an overlay. I forgot. It was something about a leg tumor, which was hilarious. It was really short, sweet, and yeah. So anyway, so congratulations, Lori Fish, Lori Fish, Lori Fish, Lori Fish, backwards Hish for Oreo. Yeah. If you could hit me up on SophieLeather.com, I have a contact link there, or down in the description below, I have a link to my Instagram. It's not leather stuff, but it's music stuff, but a link there on Instagram. If you have Instagram, you can hit me up there, or like I said, SophieLeather.com. Links are in the description. Contact me there, and we'll get it to you. Also, I know that I was releasing this merch. Okay. This is kind of like the standard model, if you will, but I do want to show you the updated model. All right, let me go get it for you real quick, hold on. Yeah, so this is requested from Dan Baldwin. He's a subscriber. And this is a premium model here. All jokes aside, this actually protects you from a lot of things. So yeah, so I have two models, premium and the standard. The standard is $13,000. This one, it's actually, you don't have to pay money. I just need your soul and your first child. So yeah, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Sorry for all the videos recently, rapid fire videos, but yeah, that's it. The video's over. If you want to stick around for the ridiculous outro, that's on you, and I warned you. Have a good one. God bless you. Yeah, so what I was gonna tell you, can you see me from there? What? Dude, how many times do I have to tell you? I know how to use the camera, man. You're out of focus again. I know how to use the camera. Can you stop? Let me tell you something. Real simple. The reason why I know how to focus is because I have the premium hat, you have the standard, and you suck. You paid $13,000? Sure, I lost my soul, but I hate you. I don't care. I don't need it. I don't need my soul. Right? Guys? You are not allowed in my videos anymore. Stop disappearing every time I turn around. Be a man. That was dumb. All of it was dumb. Everything I just did was stupid and a waste of time. I apologize to anybody who's watching. That was dumb. Have a good, bye. Have a good day.